Tonsillitis yun, di ba? Jerry Esplana!
Swish!
Oo.
Of his career, Jerry Esplana coming to the rescue, the Rookie of the Year back in 1990, giving Shell a 3-point lead.
Let's watch this again as Mr. Cool takes Orquídeas to school. And one for Jerry Esplana.
Nakita mo naman yung mga fans ng veterano. The veterans have come to play tonight.
Ako, nakapagtaguan si Willie Miller doon kay Chris Jackson. Hindi nila nakita si Jerry Esplana.
Ang laki naman ng pick. What a pick set by Chris Jackson. Stone!
A 6-point lead for the Thunder. Oops. Foul on Miller.
Marzan, he goes inside, nilabas Kim. Esplana hit one, he makes the basket. Tabla. We are tied at 2.9 seconds remaining, 65 all. He wanted the more spectacular shot from the corner, and what a game! Mr. Cool from the corner, nothing but the bottom of the net.
They're trying to play it tough. But Jerry Esplana, the experience! And being eaten alive is Jason Webb.
Esplana reverse layup. Yes! Tuwan-tuwa si Jerry Esplana.
Ito si Mr. Cool. One-on-one
Kita
situation.
mo naman yung galaw na yan! Nakapagpas! Woo! What a move from Esplana!
Pero naman dyan depensa.
Esplana lulusot! Esplana with 15 points. 9 coming in the third. Esplana.
It's a magnificent ball game today, 16, a conference high. He's inside, Mr. Cool!
Yes, big basket. So how big was that missed layup on one end? It could have been 2 points.
Marunong talaga. Matyaga talaga si Gabi.
Jerry Esplana trying to take advantage of it. Ito na naman si Esplana. Down the middle, tuloy-tuloy. Bumitaw si Tony Boy Espinosa. Para clear lane. Ayun, kumagaw si Jerry Esplana. Goodbye.
Talaga kick it out. Get the return pass. Jerry Esplana operating underneath and address being shown here by Jerry Esplana. Defense against Jerry Esplana in the post. And Jerry Esplana really active na dito sa ating third quarter. Esplana firing over Bong Ravena, and Jerry Esplana has fought from Oakland. They will already trouble the output of how big they needed so far. As you see, Jerry Esplana, actually they haven't really been leading his production, but anything that will come his way will be a big help from Oakland. Meanwhile, Jerry Esplana is simply unstoppable. Dito po ay inside. Dahil naman puro layup lang ginagawa niya. Yung nga nabanggit ko yung mga lalong-lalo na yung nasa first round ng Dr. J, puro scorer eh. You talk about your top pick.
One of the best players, partner, who moves without the ball into the middle. That's why he gets free.
Oy, samantala naman, iniwanan ni Jerry Esplana si Willie Miller. USM sets you free. Ay, nakawala si Jerry.
Inbound by Marsan, napunta kay Esplana, jump shot, yes, that's a big one.
And he beat the buzzer, huh?
Yes. So the lead.
Takot eh. Esplana nakalibre. Yes. And Mr. Cool had 15 turnovers back in the first half. And Jerry Esplana,
Well, bumawi ka agad si Jerry Esplana.
tinignan niya pa si
Remaining
Orquídeas.
here. Esplana. Tinatawa ni David. 11 seconds of shot clock. Mr. Cool, yes.
sir.
Knocks it down.
Mag-cheer kayo dyan.
Jackson, inigot nila kay Esplana. Takes the shot, yes. Mr. Cool with 16 today.
Hindi, segundo na lang natitira.
Tinirahan si Racela, yes. Kailangan yun.
At anong paraan sila para maka-score. This batch of rookies ay
Puro mga scorer, ano, Dr. J?
that's a foul.
And a nice drive by Jerry Esplana na bangga ni David. And Esplana using his veteran